Go. Marble, model MB 525. Little squeaking on the dry blade there. Are you feeding? We've got a new computer in there. We got a new chip reprogrammed from Marble. With some bearings, cleanup, adjustments. Switching in the hydraulic blade drive. And then, of course, the blade guide arm will move up and down via power hydraulic. Then once the blade passes the end of the part or the vise, it'll automatically stop and retract. That's a function of limit switch here, which this bar is attached to the front vise. And that hits one of the prop switches and tells it to stop feeding forward. Another one is the rear stop, how far back you want it. So you saw we cut a little air, you can move that up and move it closer to the part so you can tap the vise start. As the manual chip conveyor. Large 1.5-inch, brand new blade in there. These saws are noisy by nature with the hydraulic drive and everything.